My name is Megan, and I'm going to tell you 9 things about myself today. Number 1, I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat meat. You want to know why? I ain't going to tell you. Number 2, I only paint one of my hands. I can't do the other one. 3, this is my natural hair color. I don't dye these beauties. Number 4, I've got myself a boyfriend, and he ain't you. Nobody can touch this. 5, this one's gonna be a little bit emotional for me. I only got one leg. Number 7, I can't count. Not my fault. No one taught me. Number 6, this isn't my real voice. I'm actually British. Number 8, I work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job, 'cause it's my job. Number 9, I'm pregnant. Look at this belly, it's huge, it's massive. I'm gonna pop this sucker out soon.